Thibitari munene wa Kenyatta ica ikuhi ni gukorwo kurugamia arwaru aria makoragwo magithie gwetha motungata thibitari-ini ino na aria matakoragwo matumitwo kuuma thibitari-ini ingi kuria mihango ino ikwagirirwo ni kwambiriria muthenya wa umuthi. Muthenya umwe thibitari uyu wamukagira gatagati ka arwaru 50 nginyagia arwaru 60 na arwaru 1,500 nginyagia arwaru 1,800 hari mweri. Uthuthuria witu ona kuhana uguo hamwe na riboti ria twamukirite kuma kuri abitha thibitari-ini uyu na uria utanenda kugwetwo ritwa ni ati thibitari uyu ni uria mukagira ciana na arwaru aria mari hatikaini, na thutha ucio murwaru agatumwa thia karigitirwo thibitari-ini iria ri hakuhi nake. Riu thibitari wa Kenyatta uri mihango-ini ya kumenyithia thibitari ici ingi mutaratara uria urirumagirirwo mbere ya murwaru wothe kwamukirwo na ari na marua kuma thibitari-ini ungi. Thibitari uyu wagirirwo ni gukorwo na arwaru 1,200 indi kwa ihinda riri kuri na arwaru 1,900. Mubango uyu ukirikana nukunyihanyihia muhatikano wa arwaru kuona hamwe no marigitirwo thibitari-ini ingi. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia marigitari gia KMPDU Davdi Bamji augite kugikinyirirwo mubango uyu no kwagirira kaunti ciothe riu no muhaka cinyitie muthiori gutigirira motungata ma urigitani ni magacirithio kaunti-ini ciao amu mathibitari maingi matumaga arwaru kurigitirwo thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta na mari no hoti wa kumarigita.
So there will be a need that if the referral aspect is being implemented for KNH, the government must now put more pressure, put more advocacy to the counties to ensure that these county referral hospitals actually work. And now that can only be done if more doctors are actually employed to all the counties, so that the numbers that we have of doctors who are not employed are given the jobs to now offer the services within the counties and offer the primary health care, offer the basic services that will otherwise bring the congestion that is always in KNH.
Bamji augite ihinda ni ikinyu kaunti cikirire ugima wa mwiri makiria muno gutigirira kuri na ataramu wa kurigita mirimo ngurani makaunti-ini.
If only KNH has made referral units and then all the counties, facilities and services are not operational or are not at optimum, then there will be some deaths which otherwise will be prevented by being taken to KNH or by getting the basic services KNH rather than being left out, being denied the services.
Girifuatara Kameme TV, Ritorako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.